As you can see, I was able to generate $100 a day in pure passive revenue by using just these 5 popular apps. It is completely free to use and available everywhere. You can start making money online by simply installing these applications on your device, which allows you to work from any location in the world. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The first app on our list is Lifecoin, so let's get started. You can be compensated for walking on the Lifecoin platform. Once you install the app, you may start making money for walking. Additionally, this app is available for download for iOS and Android users. As a result, if you have an Android or iOS smartphone, you can get it from the Play Store or the App Store, respectively. Additionally, this software offers a choice of payment option, which is a benefit. As a result, you can still collect payments for items like sporting equipment and other gift cards even if PayPal is not available in your nation. The ideal choice is usually PayPal, but even without it, you can still receive payment in the form of additional gift cards, a new iPhone, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, and other products. Check back frequently because they are continuously adding new products to see their most recent awards. Additionally, as I just illustrated, downloading it from the Play Store or App Store is completely free. However, if you like, you may also download the app from their official website. Just go to the app's official website, lifecoin.ai. You can install the app on your smartphone by selecting appropriate category. You don't even have to leave your house to participate in this one. All you need to do is download the software to your device and put your phone in your pocket. You will be paid merely for downloading this app. No tedious activities or questionnaires are required. Simply taking a stroll through your wonderful city will earn you money. Install the app, keep your phone in your pocket, and you can start earning points right away. As I've shown, these points may be exchanged for a range of goodies. 100 gift cards can be acquired multiple times, enabling you to make pure passive income online without performing any of the work yourself. Our second recommended app is moneysmsapp.com. This tool is one of my favorites for generating passive income online. You can automatically make money online by receiving SMS that their system generates thanks to the free Android app Make Money Online SMS. As you can see, this happens on its own. This program allows you to produce income completely passively and without any effort on your part. Install the app, and without doing anything else, you'll be paid to receive SMS from them. As soon as you receive an SMS, you have the options to delete it without reading or even opening it. They won't be displaying you any adverts or asking you to take part in any surveys or other activities. They're just testing out different systems. You only need to download the app to start receiving a few text messages each day that you may delete right away and don't even need to read. For each message you receive, you will be compensated. The program is totally secure because it doesn't use any other data or access any of your private communications. So, data collection in such manner won't be done using this software. Naturally, there are no fees connected with using their app, and they only read their own test SMSs. All you have to do is register for the app. You can do a Google or Google Play Store search for it. Simply search for the download and install a Money SMS app. You can register in less than a minute, and once you do, you can start receiving automatic text messages right away. You will be paid about 3 to 4 cents, or about $1 to $2 for each message you receive. Although this is stated in euros, each message you receive will cost around 3 to 4 cents in dollars. You can take out your money after you have 2 euros. Receiving hundreds of cash or anything else doesn't require any waiting at all. Once you have a few bucks, you may use this app to instantly cash out your money, and it makes payment really quickly. This acts as evidence of a user's earning. As you can see, every 48 hours, they permit withdrawals and accept PayPal. I know a lot of you like the PayPal alternatives. Think about why they're paying you if you're trying to determine whether this is a scam or a true opportunity. By taking all essential safeguards, Money SMS, on the other hand, ensures compliance with the most recent GDPR privacy policy regulations. If you're unsure whether to install this app or not, you can read more information about it here. You can learn more about the app by clicking on the link that will take you to the website. In addition, I researched the app for you on Google and discovered a ton of reviews and comments demonstrating its efficiency and profitability. More than 400,000 users use this app daily, and they have already spent more than $300,000. Tilifia.io is the third application on our list. On the app Tilifia, you can be compensated for sharing your data and expressing your opinions. But don't worry, you don't necessarily have to share your thoughts with this software. You may only provide statistics and still receive a respectable payment in fully passive money. As a result, this program contains a download meter that will let you make a passive income by only sharing your data usage, as you can see below. You can, but are not obligated to, improve your profits by taking surveys and offering your comments. Tilifia is one of the top applications for passive online income. From here, you can easily withdraw money to PayPal. To receive payments straight away, just provide your PayPal email. Simply download and install the app on your smartphone, create a Tilifia account, and authenticate it to start making money with it. Turn on a few fundamental app permissions to allow Tilifia to access your data. Following that, you can start earning money by just sharing your data. Now, I want you to click on these 3 lines on the website's homepage, the power to decide how it functions. You will then be directed to a page where you can see that a qualified day is one during which this app meter is left running in the background of your device for at least 8 hours. By performing the identical action repeatedly for 7 qualifying days, which don't even have to be consecutive, you can generate $1 in pure passive income. Although $1 may not seem like much, keep in mind that you won't have to do anything to get it since it is 100% passive income. The program merely has to be installed, and you can then leave it running in the background. The fourth application is called Mobile Expression Panel. This app and the first one are very similar. Installing the app is all that is necessary for them to collect some data from your phone and pay you. Additionally, if you own other devices, you can install this app as well as every other app featured in this video on each of them. If you have more devices, you can make more money. Things will still be fantastic even if you just have one phone, but if you have multiple phones, you can make at least 4 times as much money as you could if you only had one. Because even though you are not doing any of the work, the background work that is done on your smartphone without your involvement pays you $15 to $20 per month just to having the app loaded. The only prerequisites are to install it and create a free account. If you just want to withdraw your money to continue generating a regular passive income from the app without doing anything actively, you won't even need to log into it any longer. You can just stop thinking about the app. It's incredible that this program has been downloaded by over 1 million users. This app has also been around for a while, adding to its trustworthiness. It is obvious that this is not a scam because if it were, they would have disappeared by now. But this one has been going for a long, and the Mobile Expression Panel has been providing income to users all over the world for some time now. As a result, all you need to do is download the app to start making money with it. Last but not least, there is an app called Honeygain.com. One of my all-time favorite apps for making passive money online is this one, which is the most dependable. Additionally, similar to Honeygain are the first app and the fourth app I just demonstrated. Here, too, you can earn money by sharing your internet. A demo tutorial demonstrating how to use Honeygain on your device can be accessed by just tapping the play button. Additionally, Honeygain makes certain that only reputable partners use your internet traffic. They never ask for or are able to access the storage on your device, which is a bonus. So far, this program has shown to be the safest and most secure method of generating passive money through data sharing. Over 250,000 people use this program daily, and each withdrawal from Honeygain costs an average of $26, which is excellent because it enables you to generate money fully for free while also indulging in pure passive income. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.